Everybody knows you're married. We get it. Come on.
I don't know what to do.
Hello everyone, this is Off for Recon. We wanted to tell you all thank you for tuning in through us throughout the year, and we wanted to wish you all a happy new year. 2020, we expect big things. We hit 1,000 subscribers this month. What a way to close out the year. Thank you for that. We have a lot of big rides planned for 2020, and if you'd like to be a part of that, please check out our Facebook page, or I guess we could do like Instagram, direct message, and things like that. Brandy runs all that, so give a shout out to Brandy. She takes care of all of our social media on Instagram, and what's the other one? Twitter. Instagram and Twitter, yeah.
You can talk to us on Reddit, but
no, I don't do that. On our website's always a good place. We got a lot of exciting stuff coming up in 2020. We're partnering with several different companies throughout this year. And we got some exciting stuff coming up right here at the beginning of the year. So stay tuned for that. And we got a lot of special rides that are coming up as well. So stay in tune with us on Facebook. Check our YouTube out. Also now on our YouTube, you're able to see our chat in YouTube. So stay tuned to that. You click on the community tab. I'll show it right around in here somewhere maybe, or probably not, I'm not that good at editing. But look at the community tab, check that out. Please don't forget to drop us a subscribe. If this video, if it's a good update for you, you can press the like button. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Either way, it's good for us. Anything you want to add to that?
Yeah, we have some giveaways coming up.
Oh yeah.
Our new products.
Yes, so along with those partnering with other companies, we've got some giveaways that we're going to be doing. Aronovic is a refrigerator manufacturer we've partnered with in the past, and they were kind enough to send us a refrigerator to do a giveaway on. So that's all coming up real soon. Stay tuned in the video. Also, this is something I haven't even told Brandy about yet, but something that I kind of thought about. We did one of those escape rooms, what was that, about 2 weeks ago or something? Mm-hmm. I can't get it off my mind. I love this escape room stuff. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm going to start adding clues, maybe at the end of the video, maybe in the middle, maybe in the beginning. Somewhere in each of our videos there's going to be a clue. And at the end of maybe a series of videos, that clue will win you a prize on our YouTube. Whether that's a gift card or some off-roading stuff, maybe a refrigerator, who knows. But it's going to be a good gift. So stay tuned. Keep an eye out for those hints for the giveaways, and we're going to try something new here, so let us know. Also, if you'll give us some feedback, just kind of above all, we do these little votes, and we've been doing it on Facebook and on our YouTube platforms, where basically you vote on what episode that you like the best, or if you like this or if you like that. If you'll please leave us your feedback, because we use this feedback to plan our trips, we use this feedback to do our video productions. I mean, we take everything that you guys say into consideration when we're making our videos. So I can't tell you how important that is. Direct messages, we always try to get back to you as quick as we can on that. You can do that on Facebook or on Instagram, or if you want to do a tweet or whatever.
Or through our website too.
Through our website's really good. I get those instantly on my phone, so website's a good platform. Please guys, 2020 needs to be a big year for growth for us. If we want to be able to continue doing this, we kind of need it to take off. We put a ton of time into these videos, and we spent thousands of dollars on camera equipment and drones and all the stuff that it takes to run this video production so we can get these videos up. So please help us be supported by tell your friends, tell your family, tell everybody, have them subscribe, watch our videos. Do you have anything else that you want to add? Any good ideas? I had a really good idea with escape stuff.
Yeah, that sounds really complicated though, and confusing.
It's going to be cool.
Sounds
whatever
complicated.
we do.
So
there's nobody else doing it.
Hope I'm smart enough to
We're trailblazers, really.
Literally.
Yeah, literally and figuratively.
I like that.
So, hey, if there's anything that you guys want to see that we're not doing, drop that in the comments as well. What else, man? You gotta have something.
I think we just need to say thank you for all the support this year. I feel like we've gotten a great community, and we're really surprised by how well received everything's been.
Yeah. I think that's perfect because I didn't even think anything about it. But guys, 1,000 people are watching our videos.
It's crazy.
It blows my mind because, like, when we started doing this, we thought, okay, 1,000 followers or subscribers, we can do it. And then we did our first 100. And we're like, okay, we're kind of off on the right step. And 200 was a bear to get to. Like, I remember thinking, gosh, we're never going to get there. And then boom, 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 it just started falling into place. And 1,000 subscribers later, you guys are still watching our videos. So, again, that's why we take your feedback into consideration. Please tell us anything that you want to see because you are what drives this channel. So yeah, Brandy's right. Thank you for that. Thanks for watching them. Tell everybody. Tell other people. If it's really something that you're enjoying watching and you enjoy watching us go four-wheeling and things like that. We haven't had any big trips, and I'm just going to be honest with you, and we're trying to keep our content out just so that you guys have something to keep you subscribed to our page. That's the point, right? Like, so if the content's getting stale, tell me. Say, hey, look, this sucks. You need to do better. But it's hard for us to plan a trip, a big trip every single weekend.
And expensive.
Yeah, and expensive. But we do have some big exciting trips coming up. Moab is in the works. Alaska is in the works. That's going to be an awesome trip. I don't know how we're going to do it episode-wise, but it's going to be cool, I promise. Florida, yeah, I don't know how that's going to tie into off-road recon, but we get these wild hares, and it's just like, let's go to Florida. We want to go to the beach, and we do it. So whether we take the Jeep there, I don't know. That's another thing. Look, if you guys aren't just stuck on off-roading, and you don't just need us to off-road, and you kind of want to come along with us on these trips that maybe aren't all off-roading, maybe it's some hiking, maybe it's some outdoor this or some outdoor that, let us know. If that's something that you could possibly be interested in viewing, let us know that, because then we'll bring the camera on easier trips and day trips and things like that. But right now, it's like a full-blown video production to get you guys footage, and it takes a lot of work, so we don't do as many. We do have some exciting add-ons coming to the Jeep next week.
Next week?
Yeah,
Oh,
I think so. Next week-ish, we'll start on it. It's going to be a process. It'll be probably a week-long process, maybe a little longer. But they are exciting, and it's going to add excitement to our trips, I promise you. So stay tuned for that. Please don't forget to stay tuned for all the exciting partnerships that we have coming up in 2020. There's some stuff that we're really excited about. We will release it on our website first. So if you are a member on our website, please sign up. Oh,
which is free.
Yeah, it's free. Plug the blog. Like, Brandy works a lot on these blogs. And actually, informational-wise, when I do a how-to video or I build something or kind of an engineering type video, I know you guys have seen the air down or the air up. I'll link them somewhere, probably right up in here, maybe on this side, I don't know. It's going to be right over here one way. Click on that, you can see our air down video. We created basically a hose that goes around all four tires. You can air up and air down. So when I put those videos together, she kind of on the back end puts it all in writing and a description of what parts that you're going to need, and that's in our blog. And you can click on our blog here, or Brandy, we'll put it in the description, and you can click in the description and go there. And we give direct links where you can go and buy all the parts that we have. Again, thank you guys very much for your support. Our family really appreciates it. I hope you have a happy new year and make 2020 great.
Nice.
Is that it?
Make 2020 great. Like it.
Okay. Be safe out on the trails. This is Off-Road Recon. And we'll see you on the trail.